Easy girl. So we've decided to go with the Qashqai because we couldn't find the keys to the Sentra.
Yeah, the Sentra.
But it's a cool car. It's kind of like the Juke.
Oh, good one. Ooh, it's like popping car pimples.
Alright, we got the Qashqai wash. We're just setting up gear and then we're gonna get some footage and then what are we gonna do?
We're gonna get some B-roll of this this Qashqai.
Interior time again. Shoot number 1 is done. Next up is a truck.
Yeah, I'm thinking the truck, like the Tundra would be super cool because
Yeah,
it has those aftermarket lights mounted at the bottom.
Yeah, I like
we can
that.
get all those lights. Anxiety about parking this truck. It's so big and cumbersome, it doesn't fit anywhere. Actually, should I back it in? You sure I'm not gonna hit that car? That red line is the no-go line, right? Look at that! Would you look at that? So on our last shoot, for whatever reason, Liam's drone would take off, so we had a great idea to try and fly it in the office to make sure it's still working. So